Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Sportive starts runs needs head gasket repair 99 km No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 99,103. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Grin, condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air